Marico shares gained the highest ever in 6 months today, following Ambit Capital's recent recommendation on a buy rating of the stock. Brokerage firm CLSA also revealed that the consumer staples sector as its biggest anti-consensus call for 2025. Shares of Bajaj Auto were buzzing in trade, rising about 2% after brokerage firm CLSA upgraded to an outperform call from the previous underperform rating. The upgrade stemmed from the recent correction in the stock, combined with growth prospects of Bajaj Auto's electric two-wheeler business. Shares of Anand Rathi Wealth surged up to 8% in trade today after the company announced that it would look to issue bonus issues. If approved, this would mark the company's first ever instance of issuing bonus shares for shareholders. Shares of specialty chemical players, SRF and Navin Fluorine, zoomed about 12% each intraday, following reports of a hike in prices of refrigerant gases in the US. Both the companies are major domestic players in the gases market, and a boost to these prices of the commodity will help lift their earnings. With Swiggy's recent launch of an app called Snack, the share prices surged as high as 3% today. The app is designed for the rapid delivery of breakfast items such as coffee, baked goods, and cold beverages within 10 to 15 minutes. This marks a significant shift in strategy for Swiggy, which is traditionally focused on the super app approach. Shares of Tata Motors fell following Jaguar Land Rover's third quarter sales update. JLR, which is Tata Motors' British subsidiary, reported a mixed performance. Wholesale volumes increased by 3% year-on-year. However, retail sales declined by 3% year-on-year. Shares of Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency dropped about 3% ahead of the company's Q3 results, which are set to be released later today. Earlier, on January 1st, the company announced that it had witnessed a significant growth in loan disbursements in Q3 of the current financial year. After jumping 14% since the start of the year, ONGC shares tumbled on the bourses today as investors took partial profits off the table. Earlier this month, global brokerage CLSA had reaffirmed its bullish outlook on the state-run Oil and Natural Gas Corporation with a price target of Rs 360 per share. Ola Electric Mobility stock settled 4% lower, 2 days after SEBI issued an administrative warning to the EV player for violation of disclosure norms. Bhavish Aggarwal had shared details of Ola Electric's plan for a 4-fold expansion on social media platform X before the disclosure was shared with the exchanges.